Hello everyone, let's see how to upload photo on OneDrive. First open your OneDrive and go to the left hand side and you can see the photos option. Just click on it and here your gallery is open. In bottom side you can see the plus sign. Just click on it, then click on this uploads option and here the first option photos and videos. Just select it and here my laptop data is open. So I select here my photos and click on the open and done. Here the uploading my photos dog with ball and that's it. And the second way, just open your file explorer. I press here window key plus E to open my file explorer. And here in file explorer, I click on this pictures folders. And to upload the photos, I just drag the photo and upload here. That's it. Here the uploading to gallery and it's done. Here the photo is uploaded on OneDrive. So that's it. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.